Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see rotation. We are rotating the picture 90 degree clockwise through origin for year 9 and 10 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Rotation. To describe a rotation, you need to give three answers. The center of rotation, the amount of turn 90 degree, 180 degree or 270 degree, the direction of the turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is clear that if you have to give the rotation answers, they require three things from you. Let's see the rules to rotate the figure when we don't have the tracing paper. Rules to rotate the picture without tracing paper. 90 degree clockwise, xy coordinate will be y minus x. 90 degree anti-clockwise, xy coordinate will be minus yx. 180 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, xy will be minus x minus y. 270 degree anti-clockwise is the same as you rotate the picture 90 degree clockwise. 270 degree clockwise is the same as you rotate the picture 90 degree anti-clockwise. What is the meaning of the first line? 90 degree clockwise, my xy coordinate will be y minus x. How do we understand this? Let's draw the quadrants first to understand it. This is my quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is my positive x direction, this is positive y, this is negative x and this is negative y direction. As you can see the coordinates here xy, they both are positive. That means my picture lies in the first quadrant. I am rotating my picture 90 degree clockwise. If I rotate my picture 90 degree clockwise, I will reach to the fourth quadrant. If I reach to the fourth quadrant, my y coordinate is negative, x coordinate is positive. When we don't have the tracing paper, what is the basic rule to rotate the picture is, you have to flip your coordinates. Means xy will be written as yx first. So we will write down the coordinate as y and x first. Then we will see that which coordinate is negative. X coordinate is negative or y coordinate is negative. When I am rotating my picture from first quadrant to the fourth quadrant, my y coordinate is negative and x is positive. I have to make my y coordinate negative. Let's put the negative sign in front of that x and my coordinate will become y minus x. That will be your answer here, y minus x. 90 degree anti-clockwise, the coordinate xy. My coordinate is in first quadrant. I am rotating my picture 90 degree anti-clockwise. When I am rotating my picture 90 degree anti-clockwise, I am reaching in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, my x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. The basic rule is you have to flip your coordinates first. So it will be written as yx. In this case, my x is negative. So I have to put negative sign in the x coordinate. It will become minus yx. As you can see that here, the coordinate will be minus yx. 180 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, there is no change because your picture moved from first quadrant to third quadrant or third quadrant to first quadrant. It is the same as second to fourth also. You have to change the sign of x and y coordinate. You are not flipping your coordinates, you are just changing the sign. xy will become minus x and minus y. As you can see that my picture is in the first quadrant. As I go to the third quadrant, my x is also negative, y is also negative. So this will become minus x minus y. 270 degree anti-clockwise. When I rotate my picture 270 degree anti-clockwise, I am reaching to the fourth quadrant. This is same as I am rotating my picture 90 degree clockwise. This is written here 90 degree clockwise, 270 degree clockwise. So you are rotating your picture 270 degree clockwise. I am reaching in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, it is the same as you are rotating your picture 90 degree anti-clockwise. This is written here 90 degree anti-clockwise. Let's see one example here to understand that. Rotate the shape 90 degree clockwise about the origin and label the image as A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. This is my figure. I need to rotate it through origin. So this is my origin here. I have to write down the coordinates of my figure through origin. This is my origin. Let's write down the coordinates of A. 1, 2 units right, 2 units up. the coordinates of A will be 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 units right, 2 units up. The coordinates of B will be 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up. So the coordinates of C will become 4, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6 will be the coordinates of the point D. I need to rotate this figure 90 degree clockwise. If I rotate this picture 90 degree clockwise, I am reaching in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, my y is negative and x is positive. First, I need to flip my coordinates here. Let's flip the coordinates here. So the A dash will be given as 2, 2 because if I flip it, 2, 2 will remain 2, 2 only. B dash, let's flip it. It will be 2, 4. C dash will be written as 6, 4. D dash will be written as 6, 2. In this case, my y coordinate is negative and x coordinate is positive. Let's make all x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. Let's put the negative sign in front of that. My coordinates will be 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 2. Let's plot all these coordinates here. 2 minus 2. 2 units right, 2 units down. I am reaching here. This is my A dash. 2 minus 4. This is 2 minus 4 is here. This is my B dash. C dash will be 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 is here. That will be my C dash. My D dash will be 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is here. That is my D dash. Let's join the points. This is my figure. I have rotated my picture A, B, C, D 90 degree clockwise through the origin. If you have not watched my previous video on enlargement, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.